subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme launched two new smartphones in India called Realme 12 Pro and Realme 12 Pro Plus, with 5G support. Both of this device looks identical, but are different in terms of specifications, and among this two, the Realme 12 Pro Plus is the higher variant, with more features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the Realme 12 Pro Plus smartphone. The Realme 12 Pro Plus features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus curved AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 93% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage. In terms of optics, the Realme 12 Pro Plus sports a triple camera setup under circular ring at the top center that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony IMX890 sensor, plus 64-megapixel telephoto lens, with up to 3x optical zoom support, along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 112-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 67 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support, and on the software front, the handset runs on Android 14, based on Realme UI 5.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes Dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161.47 by 74 by 8.75 millimeters, and it weighs around 196 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme 12 Pro Plus 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 29,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 31,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 33,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Submarine Blue, Navigator Beige, and Explorer Red color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from February 6th. So, what do you guys think of this Realme 12 Pro Plus 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
We'll be right back.